Hello everyone. In today's video, we would like to show you how we use the multiple time frames to find the entries for our trades. We are looking at the Euro USA. Sorry, we are looking at the Euro Japanese yen on a daily chart, and as you can see, we already have our moving averages. If you have watched our videos before, you know this is part of our strategy. If you guys haven't watched our previous videos, you can go ahead and check them out, so you know basically what we like to plot on our charts. In today's video, we are just gonna be using those moving averages, and we're gonna be going from a daily time frame to a 15-minute chart. But as you can see right here, this green candle, this is something really important that I want you to focus on. This is where basically this candle told us that the market is breaking. What does that mean? You see how the price was like going down, and then this green candle was kind of like giving the wrong impression that the price will continue from there to go up, but it actually break down, and now the price is reaching next to the green moving average, which you can see that it's on the same level with this green candle we said we wanted to to remember and see. And what does that tell us is basically that the market is on a level that the bulls couldn't have break through this level, and the market is actually about to to actually not about that, it's gonna stay bearish again still. Now we are now on the 1 hour chart, and I'm gonna draw this zone for you so you can see it. We basically have something that we call a two top, which we have you see the price try to break through this zone twice, and it didn't work out, and now the price now is moving down. So we're gonna be looking here to short the market and find some other things that are gonna be in our direction so we can enter short. You see the first time the price tried to break, it could not do it. Then the second time it touched the zone, and again it could not break through this zone, and now the market is going down. So that's why we're gonna be go on a lower time frame where we can find our entry, and we like to use a tight stop loss, and this is always a good idea to go on a lower time frame, so you can set a tight stop loss, and you don't risk way too much on a single trade. What we like to do is as I said, go on a lower time frame, and you see here the 15-minute chart. You see where the price tried to break. You see this zone, we have it here, and now the prices keep going down. We need another confirmation, guys, and this confirmation is we want to see those moving averages cross. Until they cross, we are not gonna enter the trade. And I'm forwarding the video. As you can see, the moving averages are starting to cross. We actually place this trade little earlier. It's a little riskier, maybe it was a better idea to wait until the price break through this previous low. But as you saw, we have a lot of indication that we have a nice bearish movement, so that's why we enter a little earlier. You can see where we set our stop loss. It is above the previous low, but we might move that, and if you've watched our previous videos, we like to move our stop loss and profit, and then let the price move. As I said, actually it is a better idea if you wait until the price break to this previous low, and it's gonna be way more secure. But let's see how the price is gonna go. And as I said, don't try to risk too much. In this case, we decided to do that, but we've been using that strategy for quite a while. So for us, it's easier to get into some riskier trades. And but you see, our stop loss, it's not as tight as we usually like to do it. Maybe somewhere around here it could have been, right where the moving averages are crossing. But like I said, we're gonna be staying in front of the computer, and we're gonna be watching how the price react. And the first moment we're gonna move our stop loss on profit. Here you can see the price was moving downwards. We are in a nice profit here, and we moved our stop loss on profit. So basically we already secure our profits. And now you can do you can do few things here. You make wait for the price to keep going down, or you can just close this trade and then wait and repeat. Basically that's what we do. After we profit, we close the trade, and then we open another one. I'm forwarding the video again, and actually we have another zone here, which that's why we actually open another trade. And as you can see, we're holding the previous one. This is why we saw that the price had difficulties to break through this zone, so that's why we decided. And anyways, our price was our trade is on profit, it's secure, so that's why we decided to let the price run. And after we saw that the price failed to break through this zone, we open another sell. And as you can see, we have set our stop loss. Our stop loss is actually pretty far. So we're gonna be waiting, and we're gonna be moving our stop loss on profit as well. If we go to, we're right now in a profit, but it's too small. And as you know, because of the spreads, you need to wait until you can actually move your stop loss, and it depends of the brokers and spreads. You have to wait a while until you can move your stop loss. But we always do that, guys. I'm sure if you watched our videos, you're already familiar with that, and you know that the first thing we want to do is secure our profits and then reinvest. We're a few hours later here, and you see how the price is continuing going down. We are now in a really nice profit. You see our first position, you see this zone, how it holds. Then we open another trade, and you see how the price was consolidating for a little while before it actually break through the previous low. And now the price is going straight down, which it's really something that we would like to see. So most likely we'll keep this position for a little longer. But other thing you can do is just close the positions, and wait for the price to do the retest. As you can see, we have another zone where the price was consolidating. You can draw another zone and wait for the price to go back to this zone, and then you can enter again with another trade, or you can just close your trades and just go and relax or do something else after these profits. We actually close these trades. As you can see, the price kinda get really choppy over there. It doesn't really move up or down, so there is like something like indecision of where the market might go. So we prefer to collect our profits and then see if we actually are gonna be trading more, or maybe that's gonna be it for the day. But that was pretty much that was our two trades that we managed to take, and you saw how the moving averages helped us. You know how the uh, going from upper, like a daily time frame, going lower on a 1 hour and then 15-minute chart, how it helps us define where the market will go, and we're looking for those entries. um, this is what we do. This is what we're waiting to see, where the bigger picture is. And after we know where the market is gonna be moving, let's say it goes bearish. So on a daily time frame, if it's bearish, that's what we're gonna look, guys. We're gonna go on a 1 hour, we're gonna go on 15 minutes, but we're gonna be looking to sell. And that's what we're gonna see. If the price start going up, then we just stay away from the chart and we don't trade. We are only waiting to sell. And like we like to finish always with a tip for you guys. Basically, when you trade, it's the same like buying a car. When you go to the dealership, you'd like to see, if you before you buy a car, you're not just buying it because of the color or the tires or just the engine. You always have to look at everything combined. And that's the same thing with Forex and trading in particular. You have to have more than just one indication that the price is going to move in a certain direction. And when you have more indication, this is when you want to trade, not just based on one or two things. As many indications you have, the better chances you have to beat the market. But that was for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you, and you guys help us a lot, motivate us to make other videos. And if you have questions, you can comment in the section below, or if you want to see us making a video in some particular topic, just let us know in the comments as well. And we're gonna try and make every your wish. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.